Hi, Gloria. Thank you for being here today. Let's start with the first question. NTT Data is a big company, is a multinational technology company. What is the strategy related to the technology, and in particular the technologies that embed models, analytical models, artificial intelligence?
Okay, thank you. Being here was a great opportunity. And NTT is investing a lot in asset. Investment on asset is one of the pillar of NTT in the next fiscal year. And we are proud to develop a tool based on a tool regarding pricing, hence pricing for retailers. We are investing a lot in the optimization argument. Hence, what we are trying to do is to, let's say, delete the gap existing from what the technology can offer and what the retailer can understand and can use in the best way. Hence, we are working on artificial intelligence, having plenty of data that can be used and can be, let's say, served to our retailers in a comprehensive way, using insights, index, and a lot of, let's say, graph and information that the retailer can use to have what we call the best price in the best moment.
Yeah. Usually, for the retailer, the price is an important aspect because relate the relation that they have with the consumer. So it's not easy to adopt an automatic price optimization, probably for the retailer. How the technology you are working on, the technology you are providing to the customer, help the adoption of such complex, let's say, instruments for the user that daily have to set the price of thousands of products?
Yes, that's really a great challenge. First of all, as you said, we have also to keep in mind that price is the real interface between retailer and consumer. And this is the thing that we always have to keep in mind from the beginning till the end. In trying to help our retailer, we are also thinking to, let's say, a sort of assistant using generative AI, just to make easier for our retailer to find the right configuration, having alert from this kind of system, helping the retailer to move in all this great data, what we call the big data, because really in retailers, they have plenty of data at disposition. What it is really difficult is to make this data speak to the retailer. And this is why we are also thinking to an assistant based on generative AI. We work in, obviously, as you said, a technological company. And as we are really a lot of technology at our disposal. Yeah. Hence, we are also thinking to this assistant. And this is really something that is extremely stimulating and great
tool.
Yes, yeah. Great tool.
Thank you. That's another aspect I want to investigate. The management of the price on the daily basis for the operator really hard work, full of details, full of analysis of competitions and so on. And do you think such type of operativity, in certain sense, is not coherent with a strategy? And is the with the strategy that the company have to put in place in the next months, years? And is the technology able to cover this to ensure that the strategy of a retailer is translated into the practical pricing operation and pricing activity on the daily basis.
Yes, you are perfectly right. There is also this kind of gap between what is the strategy, the pricing strategy coming from management, and what the user, the pricer, the buyer, and the category manager do in their own operative. Hence, we are trying to delete this kind of gap using the consultant as let's say revenue manager. We need this kind of figure inside pricing just to help them to connect these two aspects of pricing. What is the strategy, the business strategy, and what the users perform or do in their daily operative action. Hence, making all these different way of thinking together with the revenue manager, they help to connect these two worlds that seem not to have contact or exchange of information.
Okay, let me ask the last question, more from the organization point of view. Think about the organization of a multinational like NTT Data that is present in several countries. As a product manager of the price and revenue management solution, you have potential customers in different countries. So you and your team, you have to support the delivery in these different countries. How internally are you organizing? Are you dealing with the country managers that have to face and bring the product to the customer?
Okay, this is part of NTT Data strategy because the product is a product. It's a global product. It's not, even if the product is developed in Italy, it is really a global product. It's an IP product, hence intellectual property completely developed by NTT Data. And we are trying to push it in all the other country with the help of our, let's say, head manager that cross all email is trying to disseminate all the information and put all the country aware of our tools, and this is done across all countries.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.